Today I'm going to show you how to make and freeze immune boosting broth. We're going to use onions, carrots, and garlic. We're going to chop them up real nice so that it looks like this. This is the broth that I'm using. I'm using 2 containers of it. This is what it looks like in the pot. We're going to go ahead and add the carrots and then the onions. The carrots are going to drop and the onions will become translucent. Then we add the garlic. When the carrots can smush like this, then it's time to take the next step. Seasonings! Woo! These are all the things that we're going to use. I'm using about this much salt, but you don't have to use that much. I'm using this much turmeric, but it adds actually more. I prefer to use less cayenne because it was super spicy when I tried it. But it could have been because I used this much black pepper. Then we're going to have garlic and onion. I would have used more, of course. Keep it on the heat until it looks cloudy, like this. When it's done, you got to remove it from the heat and make sure it cools down so that it doesn't bust the jars. Then pour everything in the containers, including the veggies. This is what it looks like in the jars. Then put it in the fridge so that it cools it down even more. And then put it in the freezer. Make sure you put the lids on loosely so that it doesn't burst. I used newspaper because it was cheap, free actually, as a barrier. Then when you're ready to reheat and serve, just remember not to boil it. And then you can add honey so that it'll take away from the spice. Now you know how to go from this and this to this and this. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.